For calculus, M.17 area of a triangle using the sine formula. And so on all of these, we are going to be finding the area of the triangle that they give us. And does anybody remember what the formula for area of a triangle is? 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. It's the same thing, just depends on what your teacher taught you and stuff. So here is your base, because here is your height. So we have area equals 1/2, and our base is 28, but we need to figure out what the height is. And what they have given us is this angle and this length of a side. And I am looking at this triangle right here because we want to know what the height is. So from 28 to H is opposite 28, opposite, and this is your hypotenuse, and so opposite and hypotenuse is sine, right? So sine 28 equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is H over 13. And to find H, we'll take this 13 and put it in front of here. So H is 13 sine 28. So if you put 1/2 times 28 times 13 sine 28 in your calculator, that's not right. Yeah, it is. So I just plugged all that in. So the area is 85.4 inches squared. The height, if you wanted to know that, is 6.1. So if you wanted to do this first and then put it into the formula, you can do it that way. Oh, it'd help if I could actually see the whole thing. So UX, which is the height, is 6.1, and the area is 85.4. I didn't realize we were finding both parts of them for the answer. Okay, 2 more problems. So now we have find the length of the altitude from Y to WX. So what that is saying is it wants that length right there. Okay, and we're going to call that H for height. So that doing that, an altitude makes a right angle. So I just made a right triangle, which is this right here. Now remember, 12 is this whole length, not this length right here. Okay, so height. I'm looking at the green triangle. The height is, we're looking for the height, so 67, the height is opposite 67, and 15 is the hypotenuse. Sine 67 equals opposite over hypotenuse. So if I take this 15 in front of it, and I put that in the calculator, 15 sine 67, 13.8. That is the height. And so area equals 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2. The base is the 12. The height is the 13.8. $82.8. Here's the height. Here's the base. So I'm going to find the height by using this triangle. Sine 20 equals height over 23. Take the 23 in front. 7.9. So the area is 1/2 base times height. 1/2, the base is 42. The height is 7.9. 165.9.